Good morning students. Once again welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we have completed learning lesson number 2, our natural and cultural heritage. Many more things we have learned in this lesson, dear student. I hope you all are better understand about this lesson. Means in this lesson many of the dance performances, music performances and the famous classical dancers of India we have learned. With this we have learned the famous vocal maestros of India we have learned. And dear student, in this we have learned about the folk dances, tribal dances. Is it, dear student? So this lesson has given more knowledge about the heritage. Is it, dear student? In this lesson we have learned the natural heritage, cultural heritage. Is it, dear student? With this we have learned the architecture, and in the lesson teaching I have with the help of images I have explained this lesson. Yes, dear student, I hope you all are better understanding about the architecture of India. Is it? So in that we have seen the Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Humayun's tomb, and with this we have seen the Buddhist stupas, Ajanta Ellora caves, Elephanta caves. Is it, dear student? And with this we have seen the images of Sun temple at Konark and Khajuraho temple at Madhya Pradesh and Meenakshi temple and Brihadeshwara temple in Tamil Nadu. These are all images we have seen. Dear student, there is a lot of difference, no? Only hearing and seeing. Is it, dear student? I hope you all are very much understanding about this lesson with the image, with the help of image. Whenever I am explaining, really I am also very happy, because with the image if I will introduce you something, you will better understand about that. Is it? So hope you all are better understanding about this lesson, and this is a very important lesson, dear student. So dear student, in this we have learned about the painting. Dear student, in the previous time what we are doing, only we have heard about the different styles of painting, means cave painting, wall painting, and Mughals painting, only we have heard. But dear student, with the image, if we will hear or if we will learn about the painting of in the past of India, is it? So we will much and more better understanding about the paintings. Is it, dear student? After seeing the cave paintings, yes, I have shown some images of cave paintings. Yes, really you are understanding what type of cave painting was there. And also, dear student, we have learned about the wall paintings. Is it? So wall paintings, these are all depict the life of Buddha. Is it? And Ajanta and Ellora, is it, dear student? These are all depict the life of Buddha, and these are all the oldest examples of painting in India. Dear student, in this we have learned the Mughal paintings, miniature paintings, and what these paintings will represent. They will represent the court scene, hunting scene, battle of scenes from Hindu epics like Mahabharata, Ramayana. Yes, dear student, we have learned these all things, and with this we have learned the dance performances. In the dance performance also there are categories like for classical dance performance and folk dance performance. Is it, dear student? So we have learned about the many of the different type of classical dance performances in different states of India. We have learned about the folk dances, tribal dances. Is it? And the musics also we have learned. In the music, how the dance performance is categorized into classical and folk style. Same, the music is also categorized into classical and folk style. That also we have learned. Dear student, in this lesson we have learned about the literature and languages of India. So here in the literature there are two categories, religious literature and non-religious literature. Is it? These all things we have learned in this. And about the festivals. Yes, dear student, India is a land of festivals. Is it? They mark the days like religious, agriculture and national importance. These are also things we have learned. With this we have learned about the cultural practices. Is it, dear student? So cultural practices in this dressing style, cuisines means food style, and whatever the handicraft and embroidery, these all things are doing in different parts of the India. So these all things we have learned. Is it, dear student? In this lesson main things we have learned that India has a rich heritage in architecture and paintings, and there are two main styles of dance and music. They are classical and folk style. Next, we celebrate many religious festivals apart from the besides of our national festivals, and there are total 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India. Okay, dear students, these all things we have learned in the previous class. So in the already I have solved the evaluate part. Fill in the blanks you have learned, choose the correct answers you have learned, and match the following also you have learned. Yes, dear student, with this we have learned the part D, evaluate part, answer the following questions. Dear student, these answers are little bit lengthy. Because of this daily one question answers I am solving for your better understanding. Is it, dear student? After completing all the question answers, once again I will send the photocopy of printed question answers. Okay, dear student. So once today I will solve the question number 5 because already I have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So today I am going to solve question number 5. So what is the question here? Question number 5 is, what do you know of the languages spoken in India? Yes, dear student, in the literature and language part I have explained you very clearly. So once again I will give the answer. So there are 22 languages. Recognized by the Constitution of India. Okay, there are 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India. Hindi in Devanagari script, Hindi in Devanagari script is the official language of India. However, English is also used for official purposes. Okay, and Sanskrit and Tamil are two of the oldest languages Sanskrit and Tamil are the two oldest languages of the world. Most of the Indian languages are written and read from left to right. However, Urdu, Kashmiri, and Sindhi are written and read from right to left. Okay, dear student, so this is about the languages of India. So here question is, what do you know of the languages spoken in India? Answer is, there are 22 languages recognized by the Constitution of India. Hindi in Devanagari script is the official language of India. However, English is also used for official purposes. Sanskrit and Tamil are two of the oldest languages of the world. Most of the Indian languages are written and read from left to right. However, Urdu, Kashmiri and Sindhi are written and read from right to left. Okay, dear student, so these are the 5 question answers of lesson number 2, that is our natural and cultural heritage. So dear student, I have tried my best to give you more knowledge about this lesson. Okay, dear student, so till here this lesson explanation, evaluate part, everything is completed. So in the next class I am going to start the new lesson. Okay, so till here I will stop. In the next class I will solve the new lesson. Thank you.